folks, welcome or welcome back. I am filming late Friday, so I did not get to post a Friday video. It is what it is. I had a lot of cleaning to do after the maintenance people left yesterday. So you will see this Saturday, and we are doing Friday, Saturday, and Sunday savings, okay? Hopefully it won't be too long, but if it is, I appreciate it. If you watch till the end, this is my weekend savings altogether. All right, first, this is, if you did not see my post, this is the freebie that I released for January. So this will be on my Ko-Fi, which will be linked below. And then I finally got what I wanted to give my Ko-Fi members together. So I'm going to show you guys, and then of course the other two will be on my Etsy. Isn't that just adorable? All right, I have been on a creation, I don't know, tangent. Every time I got tired of cleaning today, I was sitting creating something. So this is the first thing. If you guys remember, I did I think three sets. No, 5. Let's see, I did a reading one that should still be free in my Ko-Fi. It has a set of 6 mini cards, a little dashboard, and then a bigger challenge. I did a reading one, and then the holidays, New Year's, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and what's the other one? Halloween. So there's 5 other sets that have 6 or 8 cards. I forget which ones. Anyway, again, that's on my Etsy. This is January freebie for my Ko-Fi members. It's stinking cute. You can put mini scratch-offs on the little cards if you would like, but the total is $80 for all of this together. Okay, so there is that. And then I did 2. Ta-da! Mermaid Cove. You guys know I finished my axolotl box, the roll and save, and I wanted to do another one, so I made another one. This is also a freebie for my Ko-Fi members, and it will be on my Etsy as well. So you have the bonus. It's the other side of the family. You'll see why in a minute, but I really love how I did the dashboard. Love it. Okay, so same thing, 6 sections. And it tells you on each section how to save. Okay, I love it. All right, so that's 1 through 3, and you can just use the die as tell you what section, or you can use that die to save for the icons, or use the instructions. It's whatever you like. And then 4 through 6. Super cute. All right, so there are my Ko-Fi member freebies, which is Mermaid Cove, and then a Moment of Love set. They are listed on my Etsy for sale, and then Ko-Fi members, they're already up on Ko-Fi if you'd like to go grab them. And then of course, this one is free for everyone. So again, this will be on Ko-Fi. Now I will list this on Etsy only because, you know, a lot of people will be on Etsy and know nothing about my channel or Ko-Fi. So if they would like it, I'm gonna put it up there as well. Anyway, so there's those. All right, we need to start with Friday, and our Friday savings is our Build-A-Farm. Not Build-A-Farm. Oh my goodness. I was thinking about that Build-A-Farm earlier, and I'm not ready to restart that. So, Build-A-Bank is what we're doing. Okay. And I do have the prop money, but I think I have 20 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. Okay. So I'm gonna leave these in here because today we're doing 15. Okay. And I already have that to the side. No, sorry, 10. 10. We're doing 10. And we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna put those up there because I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to finish. We're on our last staff meeting. All right, and if you do not know about Build-A-Bank, please go watch the creator, GB, over on Income Babes. She has YouTube as well as Etsy. She explains it, how it's meant to be played perfectly. You know, she made it. I do my own thing. So, yeah, there's that. And if you are new, thank you for stopping by. If you like what I'm doing, I'd appreciate if you subscribe. That would be awesome. All right, so we're gonna finish this. I think this is our last staff meeting. Yes. All right, we're gonna just do these two. And maybe a couple other things. So situations is what we're on. And that is this. And let's put this here. I think that's the camping. I don't think we've done that yet. Let's see. Nope. Let me get my dice tower. I thought I was prepared. Okay. Hold on. Gotta get all the dice out. Okay, so how we decide, I don't do a roll and save for each icon. I roll one time and my whole page is $1 or 50 cents. So if I roll an even, it's $1, odd is 50 cents. I got a 3. So we're gonna mark this. It is 50 cents. Okay. Now these down here, save an odd number, save an even number. When it comes to finishing this, I'll figure that out. Right now, we're gonna work on the icons. And we only need 2 icons. The tent and the bus. Okay. Which but okay, so it's this one. And then I guess the big bus. There's no little one. So we're gonna mark him off and put 1. All right. Okay. Now with rainy day. I don't know why I keep putting this top on. I need it. All right, we got that done. Now we need rainy day. Okay, for this one, it has a cloud icon. Rainy day does not have that. So is it a different one? Or is it just I mark off 2 icons? Let's make sure. It's camping trip, coffee, chocolate, ice cream. Okay, so we just need to mark off 2. So we're gonna do this again. Even is one of the $2 ones. Odd is $1. Odd. All right. So we are doing, let's do this one. And that one. So we're gonna take 2 out because we need 2 icons to finish our staff meeting. Yay. Okay, so it will be, what is it? I just looked at the date. I think the 8th. Yeah, I think the 8th. Okay. So I'm gonna take this out. So this was marking our spot. And we haven't done Plinko, but we might, so I'm gonna put it over here. Probably could have moved the page, would have been easier. But anyway, we are officially done with our staff meetings. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yay. All right. Let's see. I'm just curious. On what we saved. So, bear with me. We are going to count this up. So, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 12, 14, 15, $115 just on the staff meetings doing low budget like we've been doing. That is amazing. Actually, I'm gonna take this out of here. Yeah. I'm gonna write on here. Oh, what am I doing? I'm gonna write on here, and I'm gonna count all 6 staff meetings as one challenge completed, because normally I haven't been counting them. Okay, so this will go back to the bank. Okay, so 115. Because I like seeing it. Staff meetings times 6. Yeah. So I am going to get it out. Yes. I'm gonna put this to the side. And we have money left. So I am going to work on a couple of the tills. What do we have? All right. So let's see, are any of them close to finishing? We have 5, 6, 7. There's one in here. Let's just do it this way. Let's mark off 2 for till 3. Because that's the one that usually doesn't get much. So we're gonna put that in there. And then we have 1 left. And let's do yeah, let's do 9. It is 1, so we're gonna put that in 9 and call it a day. All right. Real cash goes into bank binder. And this goes up for now. So pretty. Okay. Now, let's get out the other ones. Chair is really getting on my nerves, folks. Keeps squeaking. All right. We're gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna play Shut the Fridge. This is usually a Saturday savings, so let's go. I do need this, so let's put this over there. There we go. Now for this, we have 4. Yeah, we have $4 for this. And the icons are a quarter, but we're gonna randomize 4. There are 8 sections, so we're gonna do 8-sided. Oop, that's not 8. There we go. Let's see who's getting it today. 8. All right, 8. 8. Come on, you have more numbers than that. 7. And 2. All right. So this is from Mish Money. Her channel will be linked below. She has a YouTube channel as well as an Etsy store. So go check her out, please. All right, this is just envelope that I put my money in. Section 1 didn't get anything. Section 2 got 1. And let's do this last 3 and mark off a strawberry. And that's our 4 quarters. Yeah. That is done. 3 and 4, 5 and 6 got nothing. Come on. All right. Let's do the Drinko. So 6-sided. Let's see where we go. All right, we're starting on 3. 1, 6, 2, 5. All right. I don't know why I did that. I only have $1. And I'm not having an IOU on this. So we are going to mark off 4. Yep, I did all of that, thinking I actually got some more monies. That's fine. We still saved. So we're gonna go with what we can mark off. Yeah. All right, section 8. We have $2. Our peanut butter is 4. And we have 1 up here. Oh wow, we only have 1 more. And peanut butter there. We only have 1 more up here. And then we have the color and saves down here. Okay. Well, that's done. All right. Again, the real cash will go into the bank binder. But I'm going to do that at the end. Trying to save at least a couple minutes here. Okay. Let's do, we have a couple, 1, 2, 3 Tinies. Yep. And what do we have? Actually, we have $3. So you know what? We are going to give each one of them $1. Yep. So 1, 2, and 3. When I finish these 3, that's when I'll bring in the first set of the 100 Disney Tinies, the Sidekick collab. Yeah, this is where I'll be doing that at. So I'm giving each one of them $1. And this one still needs 1. Each one is 50 cents, so we still need 1. Okay. This one, we still have an extra. Put that in there. Come on. All right, we can mark off 2. Oh, I'm sorry. This one, this tiny is one of mine. This is Boss Babe Budgets. And then this is Shelly's Crafty Corner. Okay. There we go. This one is a tiny shut the box. Came with the envelope. 2 shut the box versions. This one we're just marking off. So I'm gonna mark off 4. And we are good. Come on. Get on in there. Okay. So we have a little bit of time on all of those. I don't know. I might have to change my mind and just add them. All right. And a lot of the things that I'm doing, I'm trying to finish what I had started. Some of it I did end, but these couple of things I really want to finish before adding new stuff. All right, this is our Cherrilicious. This is usually our Sunday save. And I think we have 15. Yeah, we have 15 to play with. The real cash will go into the bank binder. And we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Why do I have an extra 5? I don't know. I'm gonna keep this and put this back. Yeah, I don't know. All right. So now we have our 15. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So our first challenge is Income Babes. We are working on a 6-section. This is 6 sections. All right, we're on section 4, and we have a 9. The numbers we are adding together. Let's do this one. 10 and up, we're adding together. Okay. So that's 9. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And yes, that is most of our money, but that's fine. The rest of this, that's a lie. This one is not. There's 2 in here that is an actual dollar amount. And then, did I do that? And then the other ones are quarters. Some of them can even be dimes. All right, let's put the money where it goes. Okay. All right, this is one of mine. And I think I am going to scratch today. I don't remember what the numbers are. Hopefully, no IOU. One sec. Let me get my little vacuum. And let's go here. Oh, yay. These little cards are $25 save each. So the numbers are pretty low. I don't think there's anything over, Nope, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't remember. I don't. So, I want to scratch at least one. That was a 2. We're going to stick it in here. Come on. All right. So, back here, I have 6 challenges. And we are just going to see who gets these. And we'll be almost done. All right, let's go. 3 gets 1. 4 gets 1. 1. And 5. All right. And these envelopes here are, I got them from a mystery envelope bundle from Unique Touch Creations. And of course, she'll be linked below as well. She does have a Etsy store, and she just started her YouTube not too long ago. And I think she has some shorts on there, so we only got 1. This one here, we're doing dimes. It's pretty much because the numbers are huge. So, we can mark off a 10 with $1. Okay. Oh, and that is StageStyleOfficial. She just has a Etsy store. And I will try, if I remember, to link her shop. 2 didn't get anything. 3 is, oh, okay. I have multiples in here. I don't know why, but I do. Okay. Same person, multiple challenges. There we go. Put that in there. Okay, this is Queen of Finance. And we have finished a couple of hers. We are down to 4. And these we are doing with dimes. Okay. So, she got 1. So we're just gonna mark off a 10. And these are in euros, but it doesn't matter. I mean, a number, you save the number. Okay. Again, she is just Etsy. She does not have a YouTube. Not that I'm aware of. All right, 4. Got 1. And we're doing 2 at the same time. And it looks like we can't even do that one because we've, well, I guess we're doing all 3 at the same time. We're just marking them off. So these are quarters. I probably should do dimes on here, but, and I might when it comes to the bigger numbers. But for now, I want to do quarters. This is Pennies from Heaven. It is an Etsy shop. I have not found a YouTube for that creator, so. All right, number 5. This is the Humble Budgeter. She does have a YouTube as well as an Etsy. Now, I've known her for a minute. Let me correct that. I have been doing her challenges for quite a while, and I always get them from Etsy, but she has a YouTube channel now. think it might have a short or something on it. Anyway, I'll see if I can link it. And then go check out her challenges. All right, so that is it. And then my Betty Boop is from A to Z. I'll show you my Betty Boop. A to Z budgets. And then she go, yes. Okay. So we are going to, why is that not closing? Oh, I didn't have it in the right spot. Okay. Now we need to do our tracking. I couldn't remember the name of it. Oh my gosh. All right, I did not do yesterday's. No, I did yesterday's. Oh, that wasn't the 8th. See, I told you I didn't know the date. I didn't do a Friday. So we're gonna do, you'll be seeing this Saturday. So it's actually the 10th. Wow. Okay. Well, we're doing this now, so it doesn't matter. Oh, you know what? It does. Hold on. It matters, because when I look back at it, I'll be like, I didn't do a video that day. Yeah. It's not the 8th. It is the 10th you'll be seeing this. There we go. I know. Shouldn't matter, but it does. All right. Now, oh, I need to put the cash up before. I still didn't do that. Before I do the tracking. So, Cherrilicious. I didn't. I'm gonna have to look back and figure out what I didn't write. All right, we did 15 today. I can look back at my videos and figure it out. Build a bank, we did 10. All right. Shut the fridge, we did 4. And then our tinies, we did 3. Okay. One sec. I need, where is my 4? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do this now. So 5. I do Monday through Sunday to the 11th. And Friday, no video. Today, we did, crap, what did we do? Oh, we did Build a Bank. 15. We did Shut the Fridge. My writing is atrocious. Leave me alone. That was $4. Our tinies with coins. 3, and then, oh, see, this is why you never see this. My writing is ridiculous. Oh, I saw it. Build-A-Bank, we only did 10. Cherrilicious, we did 15. I'm gonna have to go back and do that for the week. Okay. So, let's do this real quick. We need our stickers. Oh, and while I'm doing this, as I was editing yesterday's video, something kind of started bothering me. So I did say that I was not doing long-term challenges. Not right now. But I guess I kind of am. I am doing Cherrilicious, Dreams Do Come True. But I am pulling that monthly. But some people, most people do call that as long-term savings. You're supposed to keep it all year. And then I am doing the hop. But for the hop, I am doing quarters. So it's very low income, and I'll see how I do. The last 2 times, I did not get very far before I had to pull it, but with it being low income, I'm hoping that'd be the one thing that I can keep in there, even if I have to pull it after 3 months. I just want to try something longer term. So that would be the only 2. No, the only one, the hop, that I want to do more long term. See how long I can keep it in there without needing it. Okay, just clarifying, because Monday I will be stuffing those 2 challenges, the Dreams Do Come True as well as the hop. All right, so we did Build-A-Bank. We did I'm not doing Letterbucks anymore. We did Shut the Fridge, which is these. Yeah, I just wanted to clarify that because I don't want somebody to come back at me like, I thought you weren't doing that. Well, considering I've had to pull both of those, it didn't even dawn on me, but I do want to keep it in there. So yes, I will be attempting one long-term savings challenge for the near future. Okay, Tinies. Put that on there, and then we had Cherrilicious. Okay. So take all of these. I absolutely love this system. And I don't think I have anyone brand new, but just in case, this whole system is by Donna, Powered by Creativity. And of course I'll link her below. The sticker is mine. She uses it differently. This is just how I do. Okay. She also has a updated version. If you would like to see what that is, you can go check out her YouTube. She also has the 5-year goal tracker for the ding 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 now. Yeah, I absolutely love this thing. I do. Okay, so that is that's all. I don't think I have anything else to do today, so I will see you all Monday. Okay, I will not have a video Sunday. Monday, I'll be back. We're going to stuff the hop. We're going to stuff Dreams Do Come True and do a couple of our weekly savings challenges. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me, for the support. As always, y'all know I appreciate you. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.